Everything that irritates us about others can lead us to an understanding of ourselves. The greatest tragedy of the family is the unlived lives of the parents. I am not what happened to me. I am what I chose to become. Loneliness does not come from having no people about one, but from being unable to communicate the things that seem important to oneself, or from holding certain views which others find inadmissible. Life really does begin at 40. Up until then, you are just doing research. Every form of addiction is bad, no matter whether the narcotic be alcohol, morphine, or idealism. People will do anything no matter how absurd to avoid facing their own souls. Thinking is difficult, that's why most people judge. Shame is a soul-eating emotion. You are what you do, not what you say you'll do. The healthy man does not torture others. Generally, it is the tortured who turn into torturers. Midlife is the time to let go of an over-dominant ego and to contemplate the deeper significance of human existence. We are born at a given moment, in a given place, and like vintage years of wine, we have the qualities of the year and of the season in which we are born. When an inner situation is not made conscious, it appears outside as fate. Children are educated by what the grown-up is, and not by his talk. Man cannot stand a meaningless life. Where your fear is, there is your task. Man needs difficulties. They are necessary for health. Don't hold on to someone who's leaving. Otherwise you won't meet the one who's coming. The least of things with the meaning is worth more in life than the greatest of things without it. What did you do as a child that made the hours pass like minutes? Herein lies the key to your earthly pursuits. Music. The greatest and most important problems of life are all fundamentally insoluble. They can never be solved, but only outgrown. Knowing your own darkness is the best method for dealing with the darkness of other people. Dapra.